Do you like toasted marshmallows? I toasted marshmallows for the first time yesterday. As a child, I was never a fan of this treat, but I wanted to try out my new Tabletop Fire Bowl. So I thought I'd venture outdoors and give this toasted marshmallow thing a try. This Tabletop Fire Bowl was an Amazon purchase. It was so simple to set up. No tools required. Seriously, not even a screwdriver. It comes with everything you need to get your intimate groove on, except the heating fuel and a lighter. Now, I've seen similar units at restaurants and other outdoor eateries. It adds a real classy touch to your dining experience. As I mentioned, this unit was purchased from the internet. It comes with a fuel can tray, protective glass panes to keep the flames under control, and a cover to extinguish the flames. To operate, you'll need to order ventless, odorless bioethanol fuel and a butane lighter, the extended kind. Once lit, the flames should last about an hour and a half, and that's all there is to it. Now, please read the safety precautions before using this product or any fuel burning apparatus. And although it says you can use it indoors and outdoors, I choose to use mine outdoors because I'm a little afraid of fire. Hey, by the way, the marshmallows turned out great, but I'm still not a fan. Use my discount code if you're interested in purchasing this.